Mommy dealing with a naughty daughter. Smash. Oh my, what was that? Oh no, Lily. Are you hurt? Let me see. Thank God you are all right. Oh, you broke the vase? What happened? Hi everyone, I am Sarah. I am a busy mom of a little daughter named Lily. I am cooking in the kitchen as I hear a loud crash. My daughter Lily broke our flower vase. Yes, my favorite vase is shattered on the floor. Lily is standing next to the broken pieces. I have checked, luckily she is not hurt at all. Lily, what happened? I ask. The cat did it, Mommy, Lily says. He ran very fast and hit the vase. But the cat is lying on the sofa, I say. Why was he running? I ask her. He just finished playing on the iPad, so his eyes were very tired. He needed to exercise, Lily explains. Wait, does the cat play on the iPad? I ask. Lily looks nervous and changes her story. Actually, it was a strong wind, she says. A big wind blew the vase down. But all the windows are sealed, I say. The wind sneaked in through the door, Mommy. It wanted to admire my new painting. It loves drawing. Wow, can the wind draw? I ask. My. Lily is nervous and tries again. An intruder broke into our house. It was a giant butterfly, she says. It wanted to steal your vase, Mommy. I sit down and look into her eyes. Lily, I am not angry about the vase at all, I promise. You can tell me what actually happened. A lie makes Mommy's heart feel sad. Lily looks down and starts to cry. I am sorry, Mommy, she whispers. I was drawing in the living room. Then I saw a real butterfly fly inside. A really beautiful butterfly. Oh, then what happened? I ask. Lily keeps telling her story. The cat tried to catch it. I wanted to protect the butterfly. I grabbed the cat to save the bug. Then I fell and hit the vase. It was an accident, she confesses. I did not want to break the vase. You are a kind-hearted girl, I say, but you must always be honest with me. The truth is more important than a mistake that can be fixed. Also, you must be very careful, Lily. Broken glass is very sharp and dangerous. Next time, please call me for help straight away. Mommy is always ready to save any butterflies. Really? Mommy wants to save the butterfly with me? Lily asked. Of course. Mommy is always here for you, Lily. As a mom, I will always love my daughter more than anything. Afterwards, we sweep the floor together. We put the pieces in the trash. I feel very relieved and happy now. It's very lucky that Lily did not get hurt, and it's so important that she learned a precious lesson today. Motherhood is about listening with your heart. Children are precious, innocent, and pure. Often, a small lie hides a very kind soul. Show your child that you are always on their side. When they feel safe, they will choose the truth. Trust creates a bond that never breaks, because a mother's love is always there for you. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. What does Sarah hear while she is cooking in the kitchen? Answer. She hears a loud crash. Question 2. Who broke the flower vase? Answer. Lily broke the flower vase. Question 3. Does Lily get hurt after the accident? Answer. No, she does not get hurt. Question 4. Why does Lily grab the cat? Answer: she grabs the cat to save the butterfly. Question 5. What lesson does Sarah learn as a mother? Answer: she learns to show her child that she is always on her side. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.